Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not part of Grateful Gang, what? We'd love to have you over here. Because what? It's free 99, okay? Free 99. It costs you nothing. Just hit the red subscribe button. If you're not new or if you are new, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to make sure your notification bell is turned on if you're not new here. Okay? And remember to always proceed with kindness. You don't know what people are going through. All right. So today we're going to be setting up our June calendar. Sometimes that can take a little time. So we're just going to, I'm going to tell y'all to get a snack and a drink and hope that it doesn't have to be super long. So let's get right into it. Here is the cover for June. I wish they were a little brighter. And here is, let's start here, which I don't know why I zoomed y'all out because you got to come back in. Let's talk about our June goals first. I'm not a big drinker. I don't know why I use this. I'm just feeling like food is going to be the vibe. Food and like a cocktail and some fruit is going to be the vibe, and ice cream for this month. Just like last month, I feel like I did a lot to do with flowers. I was really feeling the flowers last month spread. So that's just, I think, my theme for this month. So my monthly goals, 3 days of activity. If you haven't seen my June challenge video, definitely check that out. You know what I'm talking about. So 3 days of activity, declutter and deep clean things. I really want to do that. I feel like spring and summer, you just got to get everything together. Try something new or trying something that makes me uncomfortable, just to stretch and grow me. Juneteenth scratch off. If you don't know, that Juneteenth scratch off will be linked down below. There's a high priority and a low priority one I'm doing with a bunch of wonderful girls, which are all women, which will also be listed down below, the list of ladies, so you can check out their channel. They're all awesome in their own right. Prepare for my guest. The BFF is coming. We're on a countdown. I think we're at 17 days now. I'm so excited, y'all. And so the task, limit my screen time, enjoy people, and be present. Like, I'm so excited for my best friend to come, but I really just want to enjoy her and be present while she's here and with anyone that I spend time with in June. 10 and forever. 10 plus no spends. I have a lot going on in June, y'all. So I don't know how that's going to go, but 10 plus no spends would be ideal. Last month I was able to do it. I think I can do it again. Make a decluttering schedule. I just need to declutter 4 different things in this month because it's 1 declutter per week. But I need to have an idea of what I want to work on. And self-care and rest. I put a mask on today, baby, for 20 minutes. It was super nice. I'm already off to a great start. And just, give me your time. When you have such a busy month ahead, you can get lost in it all and forget that you also need to take time to rest. Okay? And my little notes to myself just says, enjoy times with your BFF, be present, enjoy outdoors before it gets too hot, because I'm really loving my patio. All right, guys, so let's go get started with this. I got my list of all the things that are supposed to be happening in June. Baby, we needed 2 stickies. That's how serious it is here. So first thing I want to start off with is probably just the books I think I'm going to use. Maybe this wrong book, and that's just for little boxes because they fit pretty decently in there. And then I have the regular Happy Planner boxes that I might be using. And then, because I told you I was all about the food, I'm going to be using the food Happy Planner box as well. So first things first is what? Paydays. So let's get our Gold Mine and Cocoa payday stickers out, which are my fave, and I'm running out. I really should have bought some more during her sale. Our paydays for this month are the 14th and the 28th. Payday number uno. And payday number dos. Nombre dos. Child, girl. Really. Okay, so paydays are in. Then we have AP closing on the, we know we can't do this. And AP close is on the 5th of the month, and that's a work thing, but I like to know. I feel like I'm not going to have enough time already in my head, but we can do all things. And then on the 4th is my nephew's birthday. I'm wondering if I'm going to use boxes. Let's see. Because I don't be a lot of boxes. Yeah. Put a little tape so I can find. I think I'm going to do green and blues because that reminds me of like summery stuff. See how these go into each other, which is a little concerning, but I'm just going to let it do what it's doing. So this is Isaiah's. It seems like I'm spelling it wrong. I feel like I spelled that wrong, but okay. Yeah, there's too many A's. Okay, well, we're just gonna keep on going, okay? Isaiah's birthday is on the 4th, and then, strangely enough, we've got a graduation party on the 10th. I'm like, on Monday? Who does that? And it's at 2:30. I'm like, how? I don't get it. Maybe she wrote the wrong date. I don't know. I'm not taking a day off for a party. I'll tell you that much. Hopefully they're still going by the time I come back. And it's at 2:30, so it's like not even the afternoon. I don't understand. Okay. On the 19th, I've got another girl. Once April starts, all the birthdays start going. It's cray. So on the 19th, my niece is Ava's birthday. And then on the 20th is my sister who had Ava, as well as Isaiah. Her birthday is on the 20th. So that's Tanisha's birthday. Lots of B-days. And then we have the 23rd is another birthday. It's Sean's birthday, but they're work people, so I'm not going to put them on. They're work people. They will go on my work calendar. My friend Sean's birthday, and she no longer is working there anyway, but I'm still text her. And then the 24th is Carolyn's birthday. She works there, but she's my homegirl, so I'll definitely be texting her. She's the one I got the little lip balm set for. And then we have on the 19th through the 20th, the BFF is coming. Sorry, excited. So how are we gonna do that? The 19th through the 22nd. How are we going to denote that? I'm inclined to just do like a line. Let me see if I can find a cutie. Oh, hold on, y'all. Let me see if anything little icon in here. I'm gonna do the today. Oh, friend time. Okay, friend time. I'm gonna make you pink. We got a friend time one. Okay, y'all can't probably. There it is. Friend time. I love that. So on the
19th, my friend is coming, and she's gonna do a little arrow through all the way. Is her birthday second? Oh, goody. To the 22nd. BFF in the building. So excited. Okay, baby, I'm gonna find me another friend sticker, okay? I gotta do it. Friend time! Oh, yes.
friend time to begin and friend time to end. So excited for that. All right, so that is BFM visit. Paydays are in. I think that's everything that was on this list. Then on our next list are our normal holidays. On the 16th is on the 16th is Father's Day. Shout out to all the good daddies out there. I love my daddy. Okay, Father's Day. He's not perfect, but he's mine. And he's good to me. I was going to write Father's Daddy. What in the world? Okay, and then on the 19th, we have Juneteenth. Baby, there's a lot. There's a lot showing on the 19th. Rude. Okay, we're going to put it. We're going to do it. Juneteenth. And not to mention your girl is off. Okay, I am off this whole week that my friend is here. We're not even going to worry about that. So Juneteenth is that same day, and then at the 20th, again, doubling up. That's the first day of summer. My sister's birthday is the first day of summer. Wouldn't you know it? All right, let's do it like this. Oh no, I want to do it where I don't cover the date. So let's see if it'll even work. Oh, just made it. So, first day of summer. Or the summer solstice. I should have just wrote that because that would have fit better. But it's fine. Okay, so that didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take to add in all of our things. All our important dates. It's looking real bottom heavy, okay? Now, there is things like self-work school on Thursdays and Sundays. But baby, we're not going to add those in. I add those in into my weeklies because I like to keep the calendar open for anything that I'm not like, it's not a normal every day, every week type of thing. I hope that makes sense. So now we are going to go ahead. I'm filling. Ooh, watermelon. I originally wanted to do icy pops and stuff because they were smaller. Okay. So let's fill in the other thing we always do. These notes over here are our non-no spend days. So anytime I have a day that I do spend, I write it over there. And I usually have like a cute little thing over here. So ice creams and cupcakes and ooh, there's more of these. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna put a little ice cream. And we have a little room at the bottom of this month, so we're gonna add our total no spends here at the bottom, and we're gonna put a little icy pop to denote that right there. And we'll just make a little thing, a little box for us to put our total in. Remember, we're just trying to get 10. And you guys, like literally, I've got everything in that I really want in there. Our paydays, our important dates. And now I'm just gonna pop some icy pops and ice creams and things all over the place. Maybe I'll use the pineapple somewhere else. So yeah, just watch as I decorate. Okay, I think that's good. So it's my favorite, but it's cute. All the ice cream, all the laying out and resting and playing with your friends and chilling out. It's the vibe that I've got for summer that I want for my summer fun and relaxation. So it's not the cutest spread in my opinion, but it works. So that is our June spread, and I don't think there's anything else over here I just used for regular. We'll put it back in. And there's still room to write on some of the other days that we may have some things going on. So I'm okay. The more I look at it, I'm pretty good with it. So let me know down below, what did y'all think? So that is that. And then there's then my habit tracker. I'll fill these in on my own time, and then I will transfer things from the old to-do list and some new things to the new to-do list. And this is my June spread, well, my June cover, starting the weeks, and this was this previous week because it started in May and went into June. So I'll be doing this today at Self-Work School, If you don't know what Self Work School is, I will link her channel down below so you can check her out. Alex is amazing and I really enjoy it. So this was June, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really hope that you have your June set up and you're planning nice fun things for June and hanging with people you enjoy, who you love, and be present in those moments. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Love you, mean it. Bye.